Hello students, we are continuing MCQs based on case scenario. So in this lecture we are doing case scenario on convertible bonds. So let us see data given in this case scenario. So we are given Gecko Omax Limited is a real estate company which is engaged in construction of 3 BHK and premium flats at New Delhi. It wants to expand its business in Bangalore by constructing 3 BHK flats for high income group society and for expansion of business. So it has issued fully convertible bonds with a AAA credit rating on the following terms. तो कंपनी ने एक्सपेंशन के लिए अब बॉन्ड्स इशू किए हैं विच आर कन्वर्टिबल बॉन्ड्स। उसका डाटा आपको मेंशन किया है। फेस वैल्यू ऑफ बॉन्ड इज ₹1000, कूपन इंटरेस्ट रेट इज 8.5%, term to maturity is 3 years, interest payment will be made annually at end of each year, principal repayment will be made at end of maturity of bond, conversion ratio is given, number of shares per bond 25. It means when bond will be converted into shares, you will get 25 shares. Current market price of share is given ₹45 and current market price of convertible bond is given ₹1175. So let us show first of all this data. So presently this bond is issued which is called zero time period. So face value is given ₹1000 and its coupon rate of interest is given 8.5%. So term to maturity is given, number of years are 3 and it is given that so it will be converted into 25 number of shares. So this is called conversion ratio. It means against one bond you will get 25 shares. So then we are given a current market price of a convertible debenture or convertible bond. So this is given to be 1175. So rupees 1175. And current market price of share is also given, which we can represent as P note. This is rupees 45. So now they are asking different MCQs. So first of all they are asking you, we have to determine the value of a straight value bond. It means if it is a straight bond, what will be its value? So first one is MCQ number 1. So what is the value of our straight bond? So straight bond means if this bond is not converted into shares, then what will be its value, and if it is held till maturity. In that case, you will receive annual interest every year and you will get redemption value. And it is also given that required return in the market for this type of our, if it is not converted into shares, so this is given to be our 9.5%. So it means we are given required return by investor. So on a non-convertible bond that is equal to 9.5% per annum. So value of straight bond will be present value of future benefits at this required return. So we can show table को आप मेंशन कीजिए ईयर्स हैं अब आपके सो 1 2 3 and the third. So what will be benefit which is also called cash flow in rupees. So on this 1000 you will get a coupon rate 8.25% which is 85 rupees and it will be redeemed on maturity for 1000. So then you apply PV factor at the rate of required return which is 9.5% for 3 years. So let us see this factor is 1 divided by 1.095 for 3 years. This is 0.76. So 165. So we can round off 0.762 and total for 3 years this is 2.509. ये आपका बन जाएगा एनुअल फैक्टर फॉर 3 years. दिस इज सिंगल पीवी फैक्टर फॉर 3rd year. तो नाउ यू मल्टीप्लाई 85 टाइम्स 2.509 so plus 762. So straight value bond is 975.27. This is in rupees. Then you can see which option is our correct. So option is given our B. So our answer is option B. So can you see second MCQ they are asking what is conversion value of bond. So MCQ number 2. So what is our conversion value? So conversion value means if a bond is converted into shares, again what will be its value? So in that case we will see how many shares we will receive, which is called conversion ratio. तो मीन्स आपको देखना है कितने शेयर्स आपको मिल रहे हैं ऑन कन्वर्जन ऑफ बॉन्ड और उसको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए करंट मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ शेयर, दिस इज कॉल्ड कन्वर्जन वैल्यू ऑफ बॉन्ड. सो कन्वर्जन रेशियो इज गिवन 25 शेयर्स आपको मिलेंगे और प्राइस दिया है शेयर का ₹45. तो कन्वर्जन वैल्यू ऑफ बॉन्ड इज 25 टाइम्स 45. So this is ₹1125. Then you can see which option is correct. So option A is our correct. So answer is option A. So next we have MCQ number 3. So they are asking what is the conversion premium. So MCQ number 3. So how much is the conversion premium? Conversion premium means how much is the excess of market price of convertible bond as compared to its conversion value. It means formula is what is market price of convertible bond and minus conversion value. If market price is more than conversion value, this is called premium, and if it is less, this is called discount. So you can see market price of convertible bond is 1175 और कन्वर्जन वैल्यू अभी आपने कैलकुलेट की थी 25 शेयर इनटू ₹45, जिस वाज 1125. So conversion premium is ₹50 per bond. So now you can see which option is correct. So option is our C. So answer is option C. So this is our answer. So next they are asking MCQ number 4. What is percentage of downside risk? So MCQ number 4. So what is percentage of downside risk? डाउनसाइड रिस्क होता है कि यदि आपका बॉन्ड इक्विटी में कन्वर्ट नहीं होता है, इट मीन्स फिर आपको होल्ड करना पड़ेगा टिल मैच्योरिटी तक, फिर आपको मिलेगी उसकी स्टेक वैल्यू. तो उस केस में एज कम्पेयर टू करंट मार्केट प्राइस आपको कितना लॉस हो रहा है. तो फार्मूला बन जाता है परसेंटेज ऑफ डाउनसाइड रिस्क इज करंट मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ कन्वर्टिबल बॉन्ड एंड माइनस स्टेक वैल्यू ऑफ बॉन्ड. उसका रीजन है कि जब आपका ये बॉन्ड कन्वर्ट नहीं होगा तो उस केस में आपको मिलेगी स्टेक वैल्यू ऑफ बॉन्ड. तो ये जो डिफरेंस है आपका ये आ जाएगा डाउन साइड रिस्क. और फिर आप इसकी परसेंटेज भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. इसको आप डिवाइड कर लीजिए स्टेक वैल्यू ऑफ बॉन्ड से, लेके से किसी की वी की, तो डिवाइडेड बाय स्टेक वैल्यू ऑफ बॉन्ड टाइम्स यू कैन सी करंट मार्केट प्राइस देखो आपको मेंशन किया है जिसे ₹1175 और अभी हमने फर्स्ट MCQ में कैलकुलेट की थी स्टेक वैल्यू ऑफ बॉन्ड 975.27. तो डिफरेंस जो आएगा आपका ये आ गया डाउन साइड रिस्क. अब इसकी कैलकुलेट करनी है परसेंटेज. तो 975.27 इंटू 100. तो दिस विल बी परसेंटेज ऑफ डाउन साइड रिस्क. 1175 माइनस 975.27 डिवाइडेड बाय 975.27 इंटू 100. So this is 20.48% is our downside risk. Then you can say which option is correct. Answer is option number B. So next we have MCQ number 5. They are asking calculate amount of conversion parity price. So MCQ 5. So they are asking what is our conversion parity price. So first let us see what is meant by parity price. It means what is price of share. It means जब आपका बॉन्ड कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा शेयर्स में, then what should be price of share so that so conversion value becomes equal to current market price of convertible bond. तो it means शेयर का कितना प्राइस होना चाहिए कि जो कन्वर्जन वैल्यू है और वो बन जाए आपकी इक्वल टू मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ कन्वर्टिबल बॉन्ड. कन्वर्जन वैल्यू का एक फार्मूला है कन्वर्जन रेशो मीन्स कितने शेयर्स आपको मिल रहे हैं कन्वर्जन रेशो. तो उसको आप मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए प्राइस ऑफ शेयर से, लेके से किसी की पैरिटी प्राइस किसी आल्सो कहा गया इक्विलिब्रियम प्राइस PE एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ कन्वर्टिबल बॉन्ड. कन्वर्जन रेशो देखो आपको मेंशन की है, आपको मिलेंगे 25 शेयर्स. तो 25 शेयर्स into equilibrium price means parity price Market price of convertible bond है आपके पास 1175. So then you can calculate what is the parity price of share. जैसे 1175 divided by 25. So this is coming 1175 divided by 25 is rupees 47. So this will be our conversion parity price. So at which our conversion value will become equal to current market price of convertible bond. So you can see which option is correct. So answer is your option number 8. So in this lecture we discussed the case scenario based on convertible bonds. Further topics we will continue in next lecture. वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगती है सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, रिकमेंड कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू.